This brand is made in America by GE Appliances, which is majority owned by the Chinese company Haier. All of the units feature louvered panel construction, which is the best way to protect the condenser coil from mechanical damage due to objects thrown by a lawnmower or from hail damage. They have an antimicrobial drain pan to resist mold formation, and it has a built-in float switch to shut the unit off if the condensate drain becomes clogged. The NP14HS models are basic heat pumps that are designed for slab mounting with zero clearance when installing next to a house. The NP16HV units are premium heat pumps with a two-stage compressor and variable speed blower motor for quiet and efficient operation. All of the units use timed defrost, which is not as good as units that use demand defrost, as they tend to initiate more defrost cycles than are necessary, which wastes energy. They offer optional electric heat kits from 5 to 20 kilowatts to provide supplementary heating, but their guarantee is not as good as many brands, as it does not include unit replacement in the event of compressor failure. The units use R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R32.